Imagine a creature that doesn't need a partner to reproduce. It just splits itself in half and boom, two of it exist. Then those split again and again, until there are thousands of clones, all genetically identical, all immortal, all descended from a single worm. Sounds like sci-fi. Meet the planarian flatworm. It's real, it's living in ponds and streams right now, and it's one of nature's most disturbing success stories. Here are the stats that sound like a video game. Planarians possess unlimited regeneration. They can regrow a full body from literally 1% of their flesh. They're functionally immortal, no aging, no death from old age ever. They can clone themselves asexually, creating genetic duplicates with zero effort. And wait, it gets crazier. They have 2 eyes and 2 brains, yet somehow move with perfect coordination. So why did nature build this worm this way? Simple, survival through multiplication. In the wild, planarians live in harsh, unpredictable freshwater environments where partners are hard to find. By cloning itself, one worm becomes a colony. If a predator tears it apart, each piece becomes a new worm. Instant army. No genetics needed, no time wasted finding a mate, just pure, relentless reproduction through division. It's nature's cheat code. And here's the part nobody believes. A planarian's brain can remember things. Scientists taught planarians to respond to light, then cut their heads clean off. The heads regenerated, and the new heads still remembered the training, as if the memory transferred through the body's cells themselves. The worm's learning wasn't stored in its brain. It was stored everywhere, in the flesh, in the tissue. The entire worm is the memory. Picture this: a planarian flatworm in a petri dish encounters a tiny predator larva, a hydra, nature's assassin. The worm could fight, it could flee. Instead, it does something unsettling. It triggers a spontaneous fission. Its body convulses, and in seconds it tears itself into fragments. Each piece, even the tiny ones, becomes a new planarian. The predator is left with nothing but water. The worm became thousands. The attack failed. Here's what gets darker. Planarians don't just split when threatened, they can also fuse. 2 separate worms can touch, merge, and become one organism with combined resources. A clone and its parent can reunite. It's like nature's undo button, fragmentation and fusion over and over for millions of years. This worm has literally never evolved past asexual reproduction because it doesn't need to. Why gamble on sex when you can just duplicate forever? The real kicker: scientists have kept the same planarian lineage alive in labs for over 20 years, dividing them weekly, cloning them thousands of times. They haven't aged a single day. No mutations, no decline, no death. These worms are older than some humans, yet they look identical to their great-great-great-grandparents. They've cracked the code of immortality, and they've done it without brains, without hearts, without any of the stuff we think we need to live forever. So here's my question for you. If you could pick one superpower from the planarian's toolkit, which would it be? Unlimited regeneration, grow back anything. Asexual cloning, create perfect copies of yourself. Or immortality, never age, never die. Drop your answer in the comments. Because honestly, this worm figured out how to be unkillable millions of years ago, and we're only now understanding how. Nature's weirdest creatures aren't monsters, they are solutions.